So I recently got a new car a week ago, which, here it is. I've got the key somewhere, so I'll unlock it, but I'll show you the outside for now. Trying to get them good angles, but I haven't done this in a few months, so I'm kind of scuffed at the filming. I'm fucking shit at it, actually. These tips need to go quite as soon. But yeah, I'll unlock it now. First car I've had with a central locking. Interior's lovely. Fuck's sake. I've also got a first mod as well. Can't fucking door. This is the later one, so it's got the updated sound system, so it's got a full Bose speaker setup and mirror works. It's also got somewhere for your sunglasses to go. It's also got a full sunroof, which I've never had that in a car before. Got a set. Oh man, let me pause it a sec, that'll be easier. I've also got spare wheels in it. I've also got spare wheels in the back. And I think there's some bushes somewhere, but it looks like I've got a spare grille too. I'll pause it a second, I'll pull that out, see what it looks like, because I haven't seen that yet. But I've just found this grille and it appears to be already done black. Although that looks like it's just been plasti dipped and it's gone a bit shit. But when have I ever not owned a car that's not been a bit shitty around the edges? Another cool thing it's got, which I'll demonstrate now. Keep your eyes on the steering wheel. It's adjustable. Pretty sick. It's also got cup holders, which I don't recall owning a car with them. And it's got the later gearbox, so you stick it in drive and then you put it over to the right and it engages a manual mode. And to shift down, you have buttons on the top, but to shift up, the buttons are on the back. So it's quite weird, but it's the first car, it's by far the nicest car I've owned. But yeah, the only problem is it's really, really loud. It's already got tinted windows, rain guards. It's already got a sun strip, but I'll probably tear that off, because if you open it inside it's a bit big. Yeah, you can see on the inside it goes over the mirror, which I think is a bit stupid, so I'll take it. But as it's obligatory in these videos, I'm going to start it up, but I'm not going to rev it or anything, because it is fucking obnoxiously loud. So if I rev it, I will piss off everybody. As I said, it's fucking loud. I'm gonna shut it off, it's bursting my fucking eardrums. But you probably didn't see because my camera's quite shaky because I'm using the old shitty highway, but it's actually really fucking low. Like if you see, that's the tyre, there's the wheel. And if I can barely get my hand in there. Then this side, it's tucked. I just noticed it's got gold brake calipers on the back. Don't know if it's got them on the front. Let's take a look, shall we? Yeah, kinda. Shout out Adam LZ. Can't fucking talk. Yeah, I'm going to be doing a mod or two. I've got a set of seatbelt covers for it, so that'll be the next video. But if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, comment, share and subscribe, because there's going to be a lot coming for this. It's just that it's taken me a bit of time because the parts for this are quite expensive. I tried doing the headlights the other day, but they seem to be misting again. But yeah, I'll see you in the next one.